Want a best PC under 62,000 rupees which is best for future-proofing, gaming and AI learning without using GPU? This PC can be assembled easily by using AMD Ryzen 8000 series APU with RYZENA I. So let's start the build. For CPU Ryzen 5 8600G, motherboard MSI B650M Gaming Wi-Fi which has 4 DDR5 RAM slots, Wi-Fi 6 EN2G EN4 support. In the you can even upgrade to RYZEN7 or Ryzen 9 9000 series CPU. Now RAM Corsair Vegnance DDR5 RAM 16 times 2 equals 32 GB 5200 MHz would be plenty. Crucial P5 plus 500 GB will be best for both boot brief and cache drive. Since the motherboard has 2 M.2 slots and 4 SATA ports, you can easily expand the storage. NOW I would recommend to spend more like almost 3000 rupees for a Deepcool AG400 Plus instead of USING AMD stock cooler, so in the future you don't need to spend on cooler before upgrading the CPU. For powering it, Cooler Master MWE 650 watts SMPS will be enough to power it. And for housing I would recommend ANT Esports ICE 511MT Mid Tower Mesh. The total is 61,836 rupees.